Glass fruit ASMR is one of the most hypnotic formats online when done right. In this video, I will show you how to create a glass fruit ASMR videos from scratch using AI, step by step, focusing on realism, texture, and satisfying motion. This isn't just about visuals, it's about making the viewer feel the experience, right? Why glass fruit works so well in ASMR. Glass fruit combines familiar shapes, unexpected texture, visual tension, clean sound potential. Most creators overcomplicate it with colors and effects. Glass works best when it's simple and realistic. Next, designing the glass visuals. Key characteristics: translucent material, subtle reflections, slight imperfections, macro perspective. Example prompt: here is a cutting glass, but it's not a fruit, it's a vegetable, right? You can go ahead and click this one, right? And just type knife cutting a apple or glass apple, right? Right, but if given a prompt style and given more freedom, you can type a realistic glass apple with transparent body, smooth edges, internal light refraction, macro close-up, soft neutral background. Avoid cartoon styles, oversaturation, busy reflections. But you can see right here, already made template. All you gotta do is just type glass apple, right? And then or fruit in that matter, okay? And then select the ratio and the number of shots, okay? And then what you're gonna do, if you want to add background ambience, you can just do that, or just hit create full video. All right, next, bringing the fruit to life. Quote unquote coming to life doesn't mean animation overload. Use slow rotation, gentle cracking, gradual slicing, subtle deformation. Simple hack: small movement feels more realistic than dramatic motion. Next, crafting glass ASMR sound. Glass ASMR needs a clean, high frequency sounds, very controlled volume, short decay, right? Layer sounds: light tap, fine crack, soft slide. You can already see that there is a provided sound for our glass fruit ASMR, right? Pro tip: lower volume slightly more than you think. Glass sounds get harsh fast. Next, sync visual impact with sounds, right? I'm talking about if you're doing it manually, right? But if you want to do it automatically, you can just see it right here for you for free, right? For slicing or cracking, sound begins milliseconds early, visual impact follows, silence immediately after. You can use OpenAI for this. This creates a satisfying snap, not noise. And then you're gonna edit for hypnotic effect. One action per clip, no background music, no text overlays, consistent lighting, right? As you can see right here, we added no background music. Loop trick: and on an intact fruit again. This makes the video endlessly replayable. Next, you're gonna publish strategy for ASMR shorts. Titles that work: glass fruit ASMR, satisfying glass cut, watch this glass apple slice perfectly. Avoid clickbait. ASMR audiences value trust and consistency. And that's it. That's all you gotta do, right? That's how you create glass fruit ASMR with AI. Clean, calming, and addictive to watch. If you want follow up on turning AI ASMR into monetized channel, let me know in the comments. You already know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.